What's up, YouTubers? This is Mike with Drones Are Eagles. Don't ask me where I've been. I've been out for a long time. I've just been out. I got hit by SEPTA Transportation here in Philadelphia. I'm on a lawsuit. I've been out, hurt. I'm doing therapy every day, but I've been on my scooter a lot because I'm having trouble with my knees. My knees are kind of messed up. It's hard for me to walk. So I'm headed down South Philly. I'm gonna do a video on my drone down famous Pat Steaks and Geno'S steaks. So come on along, enjoy the video. Sorry we've been out, but come along, enjoy the ride. Down here in South Philadelphia, Pat Steaks and Geno'S steaks, famous steaks. I don't know if you've ever been down in Philly, but right here on 9th and Wharton, on 9th and Passyunk, in South Philadelphia, you got famous Pat Steaks and Geno'S steaks. You'll see it when I take it off. You'll see it when I take off from the sky right now. So I'm here. Let's set this baby up in the air.
Take off.
I'll start recording right here. You know what? I'm not even going to record.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You know what? I am going to record. There we go. Let's swing it around and show Pat. Swing it around and show Pat real quick. There's Pat right there. King of Steaks, man. That's the King of Steaks right there. That's the place where you want to go. When you're in South Philly, Pat Steaks, the place to go. Right there. Geno'S is right across the street. I'll show you where Geno'S is at. Let's swing it around. And there goes Geno'S. Geno'S. I never did like Geno'S. But for some reason, that's where all the celebrities come when they come to Philadelphia to eat, because it's cleaner, it looks cleaner. But Pat Steaks is the place to go. It's the place to be. It's the best. Ain't nobody better than them. So that's if you're familiar with the Rocky movies, that's the Italian market right there, 9th Street. We're going to take a ride down 9th Street. Let's go down 9th Street. Let's bring it up just a little higher. That's 9th Street right there. The Italian market. 9th Street. Rocky ran down it. Here it comes now. You see the vendors, the green and red. Those are the vendors. And this is right here. This is Washington Avenue. As soon as you pass Washington Avenue, bring it up a little bit more. And all them green and red, those are all vendors. And I'll say right around there is where he caught the apple in part 1, or I think it was in part 2. He caught the apple from the little boy and he kept running straight up this way. The Italian, that's 9th Street, Italian market. Let's swing it around. This is South Philly. Let's swing it around. South Philly. Bring it back around. I'm right over here at the basketball court. You see the basketball courts right there in the center? When Kobe Bryant went to Lower Merion High School, he used to come here every Saturday morning and play right there with his friends. And there'll be people here watching him play. Be watching him play all the time. Every Saturday morning. Right here, Kobe Bryant will come from Lower Merion with some of his high school friends. Early in the morning, like 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, he'll be playing right here. There's Pat Stakes again, it's pretty cool. My old neighborhood, there's my old school right there. That's Southwark. That's on the corner of 7th and Dickinson. There goes Beulah Street. My kids grew up in this house. See that house right there, the 3-story house? Right there. It's the only 3-story house on the block. My 2 oldest daughters grew up in that house. Raised in that house right there. Bring it up. There you go. Alright, that's Beulah Street. That's 8th Street. There's Southport. That's Dickinson Street. There's 6th Street. And there goes the street I grew up on, Carl Street, right there. And it'll be right there. Right where you see that yellow box on the pavement? There's like a yellow box. That's my grandma's house. That's where I grew up as a kid, man. A lot of memories in that house. A lot of memories in that house. There's I-95. There goes Lincoln Financial Field right there in the center of the screen where the Eagles play. Right next to it, the white building, that's where the 76ers play. Pretty cool. Oh, I grew up on that park right there. All the memories I had in that park. Let's return this to home. Hit the home button, return to home.
Go home.
That's what I like about DJI, man. Best drones ever. It's climbing to my average feet. You see it climbing 329 feet. And then it starts returning back. Pretty cool. South Philadelphia. Had some Geno'S. That's the corner of 9th and Wharton. There's Pat Steaks right there. That's Capitola baseball, Capitola football. There we go. See it up in here. Let's bring it down. Landing.
Landing.
Go up. Who's coming down? Let's see where we at. And that's that. I'm going to bring it back to another spot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Everybody else, thank you for watching. This is Mike for Geno'S Eagles. Peace, everybody.